How to download YouTube Kids on iPhone. To download and install the YouTube Kids app on iPhone, you can simply follow this step, which is very straightforward and easy. So let's get started. Firstly, open your iPhone, then locate and tap the App Store icon on your iPhone's home screen. Now, once inside the App Store, tap on the Search tab at the bottom right. Then in the search bar, type YouTube Kids and tap Search. Now all you have to do is find the YouTube Kids app in the search results. Once you tap on it, tap the Get button next to the app, or if prompted, authenticate the download using your Apple ID, Face ID or Touch ID. It might ask for the password or Face ID or Touch ID. All you have to do is enter it. Once you enter it, all you have to do is wait for the app to be downloaded. It will automatically install. Once installed, you can tap on the Open to launch the app. Also, ensure your iPhone meets the all requirements, like it must be iOS 14.0 or later and approximately 193 MB of free space. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.